right now, your KNOE 8 News hour-by-hour forecast.
Well, Jasmine, you said it earlier. It's a little bit warm outside. Are you enjoying these warmer temperatures?
Kind of. I like the mornings when it's not so hot, just getting out into the garden, but then I head inside.
Yeah, in the afternoons, it's getting pretty warm out there. Yesterday, we reached into the mid-80s, and today, it's going to be much of the same. We're seeing a cloud cover be the main story at the moment as we head outside. On the Creed and Creed Tower cam, you can see where mostly cloudy conditions are going to be the story throughout much of the day. We might see some peaks of blue skies we head throughout the afternoon, but right now, temperatures sitting right around 81 degrees. For the most part, we're seeing our dew points sit around 70, and that means we're looking at high humidity, and this is all thanks to our winds coming out of the southwest today, pulling in that warm air from the Gulf of Mexico, and that's going to lead to our moisture and our dew points sitting nice and muggy throughout the day. Unfortunately, that's going to be the trend as we head throughout the rest of the week. As we look towards Thursday into Friday, we see a bit of a dip on our dew points here. That's because a strong cold front will be moving through the region, trying to push out some of that moisture, but also leading to the potential for some severe weather as we head later into the week. But let's focus on our dew points for right now. Moisture is going to be the story across much of the south. We're looking at dew points around 70 here in Monroe, 66 over in Dallas, but then you notice we have this very stark difference as we look towards over in western Texas, where that dry line has set up. And that dry line is going to continue to track its way across the state as we head into the next couple of hours here, but our severe weather potential today is going to be mainly around Oklahoma in the northeastern corner of Oklahoma as that low pressure system tracks off towards the region. But for us today, just some light showers expected as we head into the afternoon. Going to be popping up during our peak heating as we're seeing temperatures push into those mid-80s. Now, these storms are going to start to work their way out as we head into the later part of the day, leaving us with some dry time as we head overnight into early tomorrow morning. But by about 4 a.m., we're going to start to see storms creep their way back into the northwestern corner of the region as we head into the early morning hours of your Tuesday. By the time we reach 7 a.m., those along and north of I-20 can expect to see showers and thunderstorms as they start off their day for tomorrow. Those systems are going to start to break up as we head into the later part of the morning, eventually dissipating as we head into the afternoon. We might see a few stray showers for Tuesday afternoon, but for the most part, we'll be drying out until our next system arrives on Thursday. And as we look towards early tomorrow morning, we do have a marginal risk for severe weather, level 1 out of 5 on our severity scale for portions up in Union County. That's just as those storms work their way in the early morning hours. But our rain chances do take a little bit of a dip as we head into later this week. Thursday is going to be the next main day that we're going to be seeing some strong storms working their way into the region. In fact, if we take a closer look at Thursday here, we're expecting the potential for severe weather to return to the forecast, seeing that slight risk for a large portion of the region and that enhanced risk, or level 3 out of 5, for the more northeastern corner of the Arklamas as we head towards Thursday. So that's the day to watch as we head throughout the rest of the week. We're still a couple days out from that system, so we're keeping a close eye on it here as we head into the later part of the week. But enjoy the next couple of days as those storms start to work their way in. We're again expecting to see that round of storms on Tuesday morning and again on Thursday before sunshine returns for the weekend.